Good afternoon and welcome to Coinsmith, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. As I said earlier in my earlier segment for today, I had double root canal yesterday. It's kind of hard to talk, and I'm going to try to make these probably be the last one for today. It's going to be short, but I thought that this was an interesting article, and I wanted to get this out there. Well, first of all, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not use this for financial advice, only for informational and educational purposes. So this article by Jory Kent, it's an interesting name. The article is written, it said, investment firm president warns to not buy BTC or Bitcoin, will likely collapse. And when we get to the end of the article, you're going to see something very interesting, or someone's going to say something very interesting. So let's get down to it. Okay, according to Peter Mallouk, the president and CIO of investment firm Creative Planning Inc., we will likely see cryptocurrencies collapse and warn against buying into Bitcoin. Mallouk, I hope that's how you say his name, tells CNBC Make It that there are so many different types of virtual currencies such as Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and of course the world's most popular cryptocurrency that there's no way that even a fraction of them can survive. Okay, is it possible that maybe one or two will work out in the future? Sure, he says. However, he continues, if you buy cryptocurrencies, you get no income. And it's not a real investment. It's speculation. Okay? So he also says the top ranked investor adds that as a general rule of thumb, you don't want to own something that it's not going to pay you. Okay? So with that being said, he's advising to instead invest in things that are going to pay you over time, or invest things that are going to pay you. Own real estate when you're collecting rent. Own stock where you're collecting dividends. Own bonds where you're collecting yield. Okay, as many naysayers before him, Mallouk makes a distinction between Bitcoin and blockchain technology, claiming that the latter is genuinely disrupting the way businesses operate. Blockchain technology is real, and you've got big companies like IBM and Accenture and others investing in it. That does not mean that Bitcoin is going to work out or Ripple is going to work out. Boy, I think he's a little wrong. The CEO of the biggest wealth management firm in the U.S. seems convinced that there's very little reason to believe that Bitcoin will be the one that stands the test of time. Okay? Fun fact, and here it goes, folks. The big company points out IBM seems to disagree with Mr. Mallouk's sentiments. And Richard Brown, who's the executive architect of IBM. So, my view is quite clear. I believe cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is the first example. I believe they're going to change the world. Okay? And quite frankly, sir, so do we. This is a new technology. As we know, the mass adoption that we're seeing day in and day out, things that are coming up that we've never seen before. Hopefully tokenization that we talked about of owning portions of assets that we've never been able to own before. Unlike some of the things, and I'm not disagreeing with him, that you shouldn't be involved in real estate, and this is the panacea. Cryptocurrency is the panacea to every wealth dream that you've ever had. No, but it's something different, and you would never want to put all your eggs in one basket. bonds or stocks, sure, you're not going to run down the street and get a home equity loan on a house that's already paid off, and take all your money out and go out and buy Bitcoin and all of these other cryptocurrencies that are out there. You're going to look for projects that have value. Some of the ones that we're trying to cover here, some of the ones that my other people on YouTube are talking about, like Digital Asset Investor, the Cryptzilla, and just so many others. I can't even think this morning. Bearable Bull. I love that guy. He's great. These guys, they're smart people. They're investors that were economists or Bix Weir. I mean, these are some pretty smart individuals out there. They've been through this landscape as far as investing, and if they see value in this. And now that I have been looking into these projects, I do see value in these, and see value in the future that yes, they are going to be paying us some dividends, contrary to what this gentleman thinks, but that's his opinion. We all have our own opinions. If this is an arena that scares you, or if you feel that things haven't shaken out yet and you don't want to invest or jump in, by all means, don't do it. I have to look at it this way. This is money that if you did lose or lost a portion of, it's not going to significantly change your life. It is speculation, but so is everything else. Every other investment is speculation. There's not a lot of high yielding investments out there that are guaranteeing phenomenal returns. And cryptocurrency is not going to make you rich overnight. Okay, there are lofty numbers being thrown around, but once again, we are a small percentage right now that are investing in this. Before the larger firms come in, before the big money does get into this, they want to see how this shakes out. They want to see what regulations come down the pike. They're looking at other countries. This is a worldwide phenomenon that's happening. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin in the United States is Bitcoin in India. It's Bitcoin in China, and these are some of the countries that are having a hard time with Bitcoin right now. I've just noticed on here that some banks are freezing people's funds, that if you purchase cryptocurrencies, they want to know what you did over the last month. And if you don't answer them, they're going to freeze your account. But that's India. It's not the United States. Hopefully, our legislators look at this and look at it as an opportunity for individual investors. That's my dog over there. She wants to go out too. And it's starting to rain. And but anyway, they always seem to know when it's starting to rain, when they want to go out. But anyway, we've covered a lot of this. We'll continue to cover this, and I thought that this was pretty interesting article. And once again, if you like what you see on this channel, please. Oh boy, she's making a lot of noise. She's throwing around her bone. Cut it out, pipe. You'll be going out. Anyway, if you like what's on this channel, please subscribe. Please give me a like. Please send me topics that you want to see me cover, and I will do that. And thank you for tuning in once again. God bless you all, and God bless the United States. She wants a little pet. Giving her a pet. Bye-bye, everybody.